Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Pedigree. Today I am going to introduce my viewers with array command in Autocad. Basically, array command is used to create copies of object arranged in a pattern. There are three types of array command: rectangular, path and polar, as shown in the figure. Through this video, we will get familiar with this Autocad command. First of all, I would like to tell you how we can change the color of background in Autocad. Go to option menu, choose color and change color according to your requirement. Now fixing the coordinate is most important work need to be done. Enter UCSICON command on your keyboard and then N command and press enter. Now you can clearly see that your coordinate has been fixed. Let's move to array command. Draw a small circle of any radius. Now add your inner portion of the circle. You can change the color of your heads as per your requirement. For rectangular array, select the object, then enter ARR command or array command, ARRAY array command, and then R command and press enter, or simply you can select rectangular command using mouse. You can clearly see the option of columns, rows and the spacing between total numbers in the toolbar. You can make necessary adjustment according to your requirement. Now let's move to our path array. In path array, you need to specify a particular path that may be a straight line or a curved line or anything, but you need to specify a particular path in which the pattern is to be repeated or followed. Here I give a path is a straight line. Now similarly enter array command and then path command or PA enter. You will be able to see items, rows and labels in the toolbar of Autocad, but you will be able to modify or edit the data of items since it is only in the path. Now let's move towards the third type of array, that is polar array. It's similar as in rectangular and path array. Enter array command, then only select polar array using your mouse or use PO command, enter. You can clearly see the polar orientation of the patterns of this circle. Here you can also make necessary edit and changes using toolbar. You can increase the number of circles in the polar orientation. Friends, let's make outline of sun using array command. Draw a circle of any radius and then draw a straight line over the top of circle. Select the straight line and use command array array enter, then choose polar command or use po enter. Now you can increase the number of rays lining of the sun. I hope this video helped my viewers to understand the use of array command in Autocad. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Any suggestion will be highly appreciated. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so it helps me to motivate to upload more helpful videos. Thank you.